Hey friends, welcome to the channel. In this video we're doing very simple tutorial on creating random password generator. So we'll start by the HTML file and then start. So let me connect the file and connect the CSS. Okay, so to generate a random password, we need a button to call the function, and we need the paragraph tag to view the generated password from JavaScript. So we'll start with the button. Let's call it generate password, and the p tag, and let's set an ID for the tag so that we can set the password to this tag from JavaScript. Let's call this p1, and let's wrap both elements inside a div. Cool. Let's do some styling. So we'll start with the body with display flex, and we need to justify the content to the center and align the items. Align the items to the center as well. We need to style the button as well. Let's put some radius of 10 pixels and some padding as well. And let's align it as well. Justify the content. Let's change the cursor to a pointer. Lastly is the paragraph. We need to set the display to flex and the direction to column, and then center the content and align the items to center as well. Okay, next is the function. So we'll create a function and call it generate password. So to generate a password, we need a set of characters or letters that contain, for example, the lowercase, uppercase, and symbols or numbers. So let letters equal, and then here we put the letters we want to include in the random generated password, for example A, B, C, D. So here I have the lowercase, uppercase, numbers, and symbols. Next, we create another variable, an empty variable, so that we can using the for loop. So let I, the process is very simple, equals 0, and then how many times we want to loop through those letters and symbols. So I want the length to be 20, so the length of the password will be 20, and then a++, and then now actually what we want is to add those letters, those random generated letters into the password directly using the math.random. right? But here we will face one problem, which is the random method will generate float numbers, so we need to use another math dot floor, so that the actual number will be reduced to the integer number. And then here we need to multiply by 74 because we are using 74 letters. Next is we set this password to the paragraph we created in HTML. So document, and then get element by ID, and then we write the ID of the paragraph, which was P1. And then in our HTML, we set it to the password. So whatever is generated from this function will be set to this paragraph. One last step, which is adding the onClick on the button, so that when the button is pressed, the function will be called. And then we type the name of the function. Right, let's save, and that's right. Now if we press, we will see the generated password. Alright, thanks guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.